A lot of business owners have invested a great amount of time and money into their Facebook strategy, be it paid or organic, trying to foster a targeted community that will ultimately bring them a return on their investment. But did you know that outside of converting Facebook followers to customers and profiting that way, you can also make some money directly from Facebook for just simply posting on Facebook? While you're posting and carrying out your Facebook marketing strategy, you can also earn some cash along the way for just putting the content out there to begin with. So watch to the end of this video to learn more about Facebook monetization and to find out if you qualify for it. Super quick, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos that we put out every week to help you grow your business. Now, today's video is going to be super short and sweet because it doesn't take much to get started with Facebook monetization. The two biggest things to know are, number one, you have to be eligible, and number two, if you're eligible, then you have to apply for it. So let's start by looking at Facebook's eligibility requirements for Facebook monetization. I'm going to put the URL for this on screen for you to jot down or screenshot because it gives you exact step-by-step instructions on what to do. You'll want to head to your Creator Studio and on the left-hand side, click Monetization. Select your business page and click Apply. Now, if you don't even have this option to click Apply, that's your first sign that you're not eligible because Facebook has given the disclaimer that monetization tools are only available to certain pages in certain regions at this time. Otherwise, you will be taken to the monetization eligibility checker where you can see and review your status. If your status is green, it means your page is ready to earn money. If it's yellow, it means your page has a few issues that are probably impacting its ability to earn money, but it is most likely fixable. And if your status is red, it means your page has what Facebook calls serious issues and cannot earn money at this time. Now, let's say you're eligible, you apply, and you're given the green light. I want to go over how you can go about monetizing, but all right, let's walk through some of the ways you can monetize on Facebook. The first is via InStream Ads, and this will probably be the most applicable method to the majority of you guys watching this video. InStream Ads are where you allow Facebook to include video ads before, during, or after your videos. Facebook said they automatically identify natural breaks in your content to place your ads, or you can choose your own placements. Your earnings are determined by things like the number of video views and who the advertisers are. Next is fan subscriptions. Fan subscriptions allow the audience that cares most about your page to directly fund it through monthly recurring payments that you set. Identify supporters by the special badge we provide them in comments and reward them with perks like exclusive content and discounts. Facebook says that this method is best for pages with a large following and pages interested in offering exclusive bonus content. Next is branded content. This probably makes more sense for influencers than it does business owners, but if you can find a way to make it work for you, it's here as an option. You can generate revenue by publishing content that features or is influenced by a business partner. Next is stars. Viewers can buy stars and send them to you while you're live or on past live videos that had stars enabled. So this is a monetization method that could be lucrative if you stream and go live often already.
If you enjoy our videos, kindly support our channel on Patreon. Click the link in the description to be a patron. Many thanks.
Lastly, we have paid online events. Facebook says replace lost revenue from canceled events or supplement revenue streams from in-person events by hosting a paid online event on Facebook. Now, what do you guys think? Are any of these standing out to you as a potential avenue to see some extra cash flow? Let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, that wraps up everything I have for you today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go. And I will see you in the next episode.